Now we will talk about how to trap stones with a basket. Trapping stones with a basket follows simple rules. Essentially, you can trap the stone by forward going in and pushing against the stone. You can trap the stone by passing the basket proximally and then opening and pulling. So the first maneuver is to push against the stone. The second maneuver is by pulling and trapping the stone. And the third key maneuver to entrap stones is the parallel basket opening technique, where you are right next to the stone, you open and trap the stones. So these are the three essential mechanical steps to trap a stone. However, as you will see from this lecture, there is other nice little tips and tricks with modifications